The death toll from the H1N1 virus is now higher than health officials had originally thought. Federal health officials are now estimating that 4,000 or more Americans have likely died from the virus. That is 4 times the previous estimate, but they say new data is coming in. The new number includes deaths caused by related complications. Wisconsin health officials say the H1N1 has contributed to 20 deaths since spring.
We have a long flu season ahead of us. In typical seasonal flu, we see disease from December to May. It's only November. So exactly what we will see as the full toll of illness from this pandemic is very difficult to say.
Or the connection between the H1N1 and the seasonal flu. The CDC says about 98,000 people have been hospitalized the first 6 months of the pandemic, and that includes about 36,000 children. Well, again today, more people in our area have a chance to receive the vaccine.
That's right. The first clinic in Brown County is being held this afternoon, right now, in fact, and that's where Fox 11's Becky DeVries is. And Becky, what's the turnout like? Pretty good?
Michelle, definitely a pretty good turnout, a pretty high turnout. Things have settled down since 3 o'clock this afternoon when I'd say there were at least 100 people waiting in line to get into the Brown County Arena for the H1N1 vaccine. This clinic is only for people considered high risk, people like pregnant women or children 6 months to 4 years old, or adolescents with chronic health conditions and that kind of thing. So again, this is not the general overall public. This is for those targeted high-risk groups. And I talked to a couple of people who say that they got here about 1:30 in the afternoon, and that was an hour and a half again before the clinic started. They say there were at least 20 people already ahead of them in line. There are more than 3,000 doses available, and people are getting both the nasal spray and the injectable vaccine. The clinic is being run by the Brown County Health Department, which would not let us get video of people actually getting the vaccine. They say that's to keep the clinic moving properly, but people we talked with after they got the vaccine say they were happy they were able to get immunized.
I already got my first, the regular flu shot, but then I came for the H1N1 since I can't find it anywhere. I've spent 2 weeks calling around and nobody has it, so when I heard that they had it here, I got here at 1 o'clock to line up.
Now this clinic is going on until 6:30 tonight. There is another clinic from 3 to 6 at Oneida Nation Elementary School in Oneida, and that again is for high-risk groups. And then there are 2 more clinics scheduled for Saturday, again for the high-risk groups. Those will be both here at the Brown County Arena and also at the Oneida Nation Elementary School. Now health officials plan to offer more clinics as the vaccine becomes available. They say when the those high-risk groups have been vaccinated, they can expand their efforts to include the greater public. And just today, the state health department changed its plans to expand the group considered priority for the H1 vaccine to now include adults with chronic health conditions. And that change is scheduled to go in effect 1 week from today. Reporting live in Ashwaubenon, Becky DeVries, Fox 11 News.